What's up everyone? It's me, yours truly, John Valencia, and welcome back to True Asia Diaries. Mega love shoutout mga ka-Jamiel. For today, we are going to do a reaction video sa inyong requested performance ng Jamiel. Ito nga ang If I Ain't Got You by JM De La Serna and Mariel Montellano. Mariel? Sino naman si Mariel? Mariel Montellano. Sa Kimus concert. Ako, shoutout kay Jamiel Cliffs. Mega love shoutout sa iyo. Salamat naman at nagbalik na ang ating source of income. Charit. Diba? But before I proceed guys, kung bago kayo sa ating channel, don't forget to like our video and also subscribe to True Asia Diaries. Kaya naman, ano pang inantay natin? Let's go! Check this out. Alright, we're playing in 3, 2, 1, and go. Here it is guys. Salang. Ganda ng outfit nila. Napakabait. Eh? Ba't may gano'n?
Hello po once again sa lahat po ng mga nandito ngayon. Sana po ay nag-enjoy kayo so far. Sa mga songs na kinakanta ng people. Of course, ngayon po ay kakanta kami naman nakakanta ng mga songs.
Ganda ng outfit ni JM. Ang lambot ng pantalon niya ha, charit. Ito si Mariel, tignan mo ang hairstyle. Uy! Ito na guys. Siyempre babaguhin na naman nila to, di ba? Hindi na tayo nasanay. Charit. Ganda ng hairstyle ni JM. Parang gusto ko ulit gayahin niya. Umpisa pa lang. Humming pa lang. Styling. Iba rin ang hagod ni JM. Tinginan na. Alalala yung smile talaga nila dahil. Sabay na sabay. The harmony. Effortless. Ibang hatak ni JM. Galing na switching. Diba? Nakita niya naman ang tinginan. Iba rin ang hagod talaga nitong dalawang to. Whenever they do a rendition, they are making it their own. Tapos iba yung bigayan ng linya and the way that nagsasabay sila in perfect harmony talaga ang kanilang mga vocal. Match made in heaven. Ganon. Uy, gusto ko yun. Wait, balikan natin yan. Tignan niyo na naman, binago na naman ni JM. Bada switching, galing. Love that. Ganda ng low tone ni JM, tapos sumasabay si Mariel. Sarap sa tenga. Such an orgasm. Galing ng switching, no? Wait, bibitinin ko kayo kasi ito yung best part eh. Ang galing nung nung switching, tapos biglang 10 notes. Sobrang ganda ng pagkakanta nila and yung tinginan nila talaga ang nagdadala. Oo, nadadala tayo sa tinginan. Oh! Wait lang, ako pala yung bibiglain nila. Akala ko binitin ko kayo. Alam niyo na pala, ako pala dapat. Ako ang nabitin, tapos nabigla tayo for today. At binago na naman nila. Alicia Keys left the group. Charis. Grabe. Ganda nun. Kabog eh. Kabog. That ending was pasabog. Nakita mo, sweet. Ba't ganun yung tinginan nila? Grabe sigawan ng mga ka-Jamiel natin. Good. Love it. Hi, we will be back. There you have it, guys. That is Jamiel singing If I Ain't Got You by Alicia Keys with her own rendition. Grabe. Akala ko parang same vibe of song, pero nako, sa dulo, doon pala tayo babanatan na fireworks, parang tawag doon, vocal spectacle, ganon, with the, alam mo yung tingin nila na yung dulo na If I Ain't Got You, parang nagkakuha na naman na, ano ba ang totoo? I-comment down below ninyo. Grabe yun. I love the way that yung high notes ni JM plus ni Mariel and the way that they do the rendition, like what I said just now, they are really making it their own. At talagang nag-enjoy tayo with the vibe of Jamiel for today. And of course, kung nag-enjoy kayo, don't forget to like our video and also subscribe to Truly Asia Diaries. Once again, my name is John. This is Truly Asia Diaries. I'll see you on my next one. Spread happiness, guys. Bye for now.